Are you a gig worker struggling to manage your finances? You're not alone. Financial planning is crucial for everyone, but it takes on a whole new dimension for those in the gig economy. The game rules are a bit different here. Instead of a steady paycheck, you're dealing with fluctuating income. Instead of employer-provided benefits, you're on your own. And let's not forget about the tax complications that come with being your own boss. These unique financial challenges can seem daunting, but they're not insurmountable. With astute planning and strategic decisions, you can navigate through these hurdles and achieve financial stability. It's all about understanding your income, managing your taxes effectively, and planning for retirement even when retirement seems a distant speck on the horizon. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive into how you can effectively manage your finances as a gig worker. So buckle up and let's get started on this journey towards financial empowerment. The first step in financial planning as a gig worker is to understand your income. Now, why is this so important? Well, as participants in the gig economy, your income might fluctuate more than those with traditional jobs. You might have times of feast, where the gigs are rolling in, and times of famine, where it's a bit quieter. This unpredictability makes tracking your income and expenses crucial. Imagine driving a car without a fuel gauge. You wouldn't know when you're about to run out of gas and get stranded. Similarly, without a clear understanding of your income and expenses, you might find yourself in a tight spot financially. Now, you might be asking, how do I track my income and expenses? Well, you're in luck. There are various tools and methods to help you. You can use an old-fashioned spreadsheet if you like crunching numbers. Or, you can use one of the many budgeting apps available. These apps can connect to your bank account, track your income and expenses, and even categorize them for you. They can give you a real-time snapshot of your financial health, helping you make informed decisions. A robust budgeting system can help you weather the ups and downs of gig work. It can help you save for the lean times, invest in your future, and ultimately achieve financial stability. Remember, knowledge is power. The better you understand your income, the better you can plan for the future. Tax planning is a crucial part of financial management for gig workers. In the world of gig work, you're essentially your own boss, which comes with its own set of tax responsibilities. The first one to note is the self-employment tax. This is a tax that covers Social Security and Medicare, which traditionally an employer would handle. Now that responsibility falls onto your shoulders. You might be thinking, well, how much should I set aside for taxes? A general rule of thumb is to set aside about 20 to 30% of your income. However, the exact percentage can vary depending on your total income and the tax laws in your area. Another important aspect of tax planning is making estimated tax payments. This is where you pay your taxes in installments throughout the year, instead of one big lump sum come April. It's like a pay-as-you-go system, which can make a big difference in managing your cash flow and avoiding penalties. But let's be honest, taxes can be complicated, especially when you're juggling multiple gigs. That's where a tax professional can come in handy. They can help you understand your tax liabilities, find deductions and credits you might not be aware of, and ensure that you're compliant with all tax laws. Don't let taxes surprise you. Plan ahead and stay on top of your tax obligations. With careful planning and perhaps a little professional help, you can navigate the tax landscape with confidence. Retirement may seem far off, but it's never too early to start planning. Just as we chart our course for a vacation, so too should we map out our journey into the golden years. For gig workers, planning for retirement can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. You might think retirement plans are a luxury only permanent employees can afford, but that's not the case. Options like individual retirement accounts or IRAs and solo 401(k)s are there for independent contractors. These plans allow you to squirrel away money for your golden years, while also providing tax benefits. Let's start with IRAs. There are two types, traditional and Roth. Both allow you to contribute up to $6,000 per year, or $7,000 if you're 50 or older. The difference lies in when you pay taxes. With a traditional IRA, you pay taxes when you withdraw the money during retirement. With a Roth IRA, you pay taxes up front, but withdrawals during retirement are tax-free. Then there's the Solo 401(k). This is a plan designed specifically for self-employed individuals without employees. You can contribute as both an employer and an employee, potentially allowing you to save more than with an IRA. The key to a comfortable retirement is consistent contributions and long-term investing. It's about planting seeds today, so you can reap the benefits tomorrow. Remember, it's not about timing the market, but time in the market. Retirement isn't just for traditional employees. With careful planning, you can secure your financial future. Financial planning as a gig worker may seem daunting, but it's definitely manageable. The journey starts with understanding your income. Recognize that your earnings may fluctuate, but don't let this dissuade you from planning. Instead, use this as a motivator to keep a close eye on your income and expenses. Next, we tackled the complex world of taxes. Remember, as a gig worker, you're essentially running your own business. This means you are responsible for managing your own taxes. It's crucial to keep accurate records, understand your deductions, and set money aside for tax payments. Don't shy away from seeking professional help if needed. A little investment in expert advice now can save you from costly mistakes in the future. And let's not forget about retirement. Just because you're a gig worker doesn't mean you have to sacrifice your golden years. There are several retirement plans designed for self-employed individuals like yourself. Plan now, contribute consistently, and let the magic of compound interest work in your favor. In conclusion, financial planning for gig workers boils down to 3 key elements: understanding your income, managing your taxes, and planning for retirement. These elements, combined with discipline and consistency, will set you on the path to financial success. Remember, the key to financial success as a gig worker is planning, discipline, and consistency. You've got this!